Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Google Drive to File Explorer. So let's get started. First open any web browser. You can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Now look for Google Drive download. Now click on the first link that says download Google Drive. On the Google Drive home screen, you will find a button that says download drive for desktop. Just click on this button. Now save this Google Drive setup file to your PC. Now open the setup file that we just downloaded. Now click on install button. Now Google Drive is getting installed on the PC. It will take around few seconds. And now as you can see, the Google Drive is successfully installed on PC. Just click on close button to close this prompt. Now if you go to my computer, here you will find another drive with the letter G, and this is nothing but Google Drive. When you click on this drive, here you will find a Google Drive where you can add your files and it can get automatically synced with your Google Drive. So that is how you can add Google Drive to File Explorer on PC. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.